Good morning, everyone. Uh, I welcome you all for the last day of our FTP, and it's so helpful. And we have to thank Dr. Vimal Gerald sir for that. And he has so much of talent and expertise, and which will be useful for us, and we can use it as a great thing, and we can really make it wonderful for our students, and we can make them learn much better easier, even not during this pandemic. Even in a normal situation we can use it and make them easier to learn and very enthusiastic to learn about what we teach. So I welcome you all for the last day of our FTP program, and the session is over to you, sir.
Thank you, Professor Ramana. Thank you, Professor Ramana, for the wonderful start of the day. A good start, well beginning is half done. So nice of you. Respected Professor Rajan, respected Professor Ramana Kumar, respected organizing team members, and esteemed participants from various institutions. A very happy morning to you all. The day is just past. We started just like that in 4 days back, and today we are at the fifth day. Learning takes up very quickly because of your enthusiasm. It is not to flatter you, dear professors. As I was talking to Professor Rajan at the beginning, you are all so much enthusiastic, which means you do it immediately. You wanted to have exposure of the tools that we deal with. You wanted to have exposure immediately. And many of you, in spite of your busy schedule, I was told by Professor Ramana that you have your regular schedule in the class as well as in the clinics, but still you were able to make your, homeworks. And many of you have done, and I saw almost all of them were up to the mark. And of course, with regard to yesterday, quite a few of you couldn't make your PowerPoint into video. Do never worry. I do understand some of you have 2007 version. 2007 version, you may not, you have no option to convert it into video. Don't worry. Today we are going to cover the tools called screen capturing. With that, we'll be able to make beautiful videos. Okay, dear professors, I do appreciate once again for the enthusiastic participation and the zealous behavior that is put up learning digital skills. Hats off to you, professors. Your students are really lucky to have a learning professor, not learner, learning professor. A good teacher will always continue to learn. You are all professors of learning. A learning professor will be a best, people say the quotation, a best teacher will be an inspiring teacher. You are all inspiring teacher. You have inspired me, including Professor Rajan, who is of much experience and with administrative capacity. He is able to inspire us with his presence as well as with his, experience with the tools that we deal with. Thank you, professors. With that short note of compliment, I would like to go ahead for today's session. Professors, I suppose my screen is visible to you. Is my screen visible to you, dear professors? Someone vouch that is my screen visible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Thank you, professors. Thank you. So kind of you. 1 minute. Thank you. Dear professors, today we are going to have the exposure on screen capture tools. Maybe many of you may be knowing about screen capturing. I shall tell you what is screen capture first of all. The screen capturing is, for example, whatever that goes into the screen can with a voice and with a computer sound, and a few tools allow you to capture your camera as well. So capturing the screen, whatever goes on the screen with your voice, it can be recorded. That's what we call by screen capturing. For example, you are conducting a Viva OC examination, and these days universities instruct us to record the same as a proof. So it's better we can go for these kind of screen capture tool for capturing the screen. And for that, what should we do? The step that we need to do is that we need to get ready with the content. For example, many of you have prepared your PowerPoints in the form of PPTs. You're all ready with the PPTs, right? You're all ready with the PPTs, and get ready with a beautiful PowerPoint with good animation. And professors, it's a humble request from me. Whenever you have PowerPoints, have only the gist of what you want to deliver. Okay, you may talk more on that point, but still don't give the entire content over there. Just give the gist and you talk more. Okay, a simple animation will really be attracting the learners. The second part is that once you get ready with the content, you need to record the session with your narration, with your voiceover. Okay, you can record. And finally, see here, you cannot add music. You cannot add music. Music, you can play it. So while it is played, the music can be captured. Okay. And you can do a little bit of editing. It's not full-fledged video editors, but little bit of, if you are recording something, if some sound comes up, maybe a child voice or an environment problem or a dog barking, you want to remove that, but you can remove that. So all these simple part of editing can be done with the editing, and you render that as content. This, you can example as a yeah, okay. Render as e-content. Okay, you can finally make it as a e-content. Is my voice breaking? Okay, I shall stop one minute. Is it okay now? Professors, is it okay now? Is it okay
Yes,
now,
sir.
dear professors?
It is okay, sir. We can hear you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. So these are the steps. Now straight away we'll move on for the exposure of demonstration. Okay. Now I shall take you. Now I'm into a browser. 1 minute. This is online based. The first tool that I'm dealing with, an online based tool. So go to a browser. Go to a good browser. The tool is known as Screencast-O-Matic. Okay, I'm just going into here. Screencast-O-Matic. Type. Go to Google. Type Screencast-O-Matic. Just type one word. It is a one word. Don't bother. I shall give you the link. Okay. Is my voice not clear? Professor, is my voice not clear? Am I not clear to you?
Sir, it's
Okay, sir.
okay,
Yes, sir.
clear.
Now I have sent you a link. Not the link. I think it doesn't flow into the chat. Did you get the link, sir? I'm sending the link, but it doesn't show. Yeah, it has come up. Yeah. Now I've got the link. When you click over, either in mobile or and the first that gets
Sir, it's again
that
break.
gets record. Minute, sir. Am I all right, sir? Am I all right? Am I all right now?
No, sir, still slightly your voice is breaking, but not as much as earlier. Sir, are you there?
Am I audible, sir?
Yeah, now
we
Sir,
are
am I
audible, sir.
audible?
Now we are audible, sir.
now it's okay, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Sir. Thank you. Yeah, is my screen visible, sir? Is my screen visible to you?
Yeah.
Thank
Yes,
you.
sir, yes, sir.
Thank you. Now, professors, I have given you the tool in the chat box. Screencast-O-Matic. It is an online-based recorder. Look at here. First thing is that when you log into this page, you will have this record for free option. Click that. Click that. Once you click it, you are taken to next page. See, this is the page. If you are doing it for the first time, see, you when you click a downloader, a launcher will get downloaded, and after that, click the downloaded exe file. Automatically, a record launcher will begin. Okay, right now I have downloaded it. So see here, when I click launch for free, automatically a launcher comes. I have also supplied you the material, and Professor Ramana Kumar today. It is also available in the Google Classroom. See here. See, if you have, see, the launcher will appear. See, this is the launcher. See, look at here. A small piece of tool. This is the tool. Do you see that? This is the tool. This is the launcher. Am I clear? This is the launcher. Now look at here, dear professors. Now I have got the settings. Click here. Click the settings. When you click the settings, you have three options. Record, screen. See, there is an option to record your screen. Record your desktop. And only webcam. See, when I click webcam, only my face. See here, I'm available. Only the webcam turns on. Okay. If I want to have both, for example, screen as well as my face. See, I just click over screen and webcam. See, I can keep my camera anywhere that I want. I can keep it here or in the corner or in this corner or this corner. Anywhere I can keep it and I can go for recording. Have you got it, dear professors? One is to record your screen, another one is to record your webcam, or both webcam and the screen. Okay, professors, have you got it? So all these options are available with this. Okay. Now, dear professors, you see, second option is that, see, this is of course a free tool. It's not a free tool, but 15 minutes, up to 15 minutes, you can go freely any longer. For example, there is no 30 days trial and all that. You can go as long as you can use it for 15 minutes. Okay, maximum recording time is for 15 minutes, right? If you would like to go for purchasing, it costs only 1,400 or something for entire year. It is a good software, so I recommend it. It will be very useful for you to only 15 minutes allowed maximum, so I can fix the time here. And the size of the screen, click here and you can go. See, for example, I have selected full screen. Now you can go for 750. Only this, see the size of the screen, how much you want to record, so you can fix it. Now I would like to go again for, see here, I just click here and go for full screen. Active screen means whatever the screen that you have opened. Okay, I would like to go for full screen, so entire screen is recorded. And check whether your mic is working. See, look at here, I get the green signal, which means your mic is working. So you can check before you go for recording. And computer audio, unfortunately, for unpaid version, free version, computer audio is not permitted. So the sound, typing sound or the music that you play, that will not be or recorded. Okay, that's all with the settings. Okay. Do you have any clarification with the settings, dear professors? Do you have any clarification with the settings, dear professors? Can I have your queries? Do you have clarification? If no clarification, you can press 2. If you have clarification, press 1 quickly. Would you like to have clarification, dear professors? Shall I move on? Okay. I think professors have understood. No clarification. How to add music? Yeah, Professor Adra, you cannot add music here. You cannot add music. If you want to add music, there are other tools you can add. You can do that. Okay. Here you cannot add music. Only if you go for paid version, you can add music, which means you have to play the music while you record. Simultaneously, you have to play that. Okay, that will be recorded. Keep it mild, and that will be recorded. Now look at here. I'm going for recording.
Are you there? Your screen got freezed, sir.
You're not able to hear him?
Vimal sir? Sir? Okay, sir. Just
Sir, am I audible? Sir, am I audible? Sir, am I
now it's
audible?
okay, sir. Yes,
Yeah,
yes,
is
sir.
my
Now
screen
it's okay.
visible, sir? Is my screen visible?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yes, sir.
thank you. Thank you. Now, professors, before we go for recording, keep your screen in full screen mode. Keep your screen in full screen mode. Okay. Now look at your dear professors. If I want to have only the screen comes. If I want to have webcam, the webcam alone comes. So our purpose is to record both the screen as well as webcam. So I can keep my face somewhere here or in this corner. So I can keep it here or here somewhere. Okay. I can keep it here or at the bottom. So wherever you want to keep it, you can keep it. So I can keep it here. Okay. Now I'm going for recording. Just press the red color button. Then go for recording. Once you press the red color button, red color knob at the bottom, then your recording begins with a countdown and you have to get ready. Okay, I just click over here and the countdown begins. A very good morning to you all. This is Dr. A. Vimal Zaral demonstrating you the screen capture tools. The screen capture tools helps us to capture the screen along with our narration. The screen captured content can be developed using following steps. Number one is to get ready with a content or demonstration. Number two, we should go for the narration along with the record of screen. And thirdly, we can edit the capture, whatever we have recorded. And fourth is the final step to render our recording into a full-fledged video. So my best wishes to you all to capture your screen and render as a video-based e-content. Thank you very much. Once after completing, dear professors, once after completing, you'll have to turn off. See here, at the bottom, you've got the pass button. Click over that. When you click over that, look at here, I've clicked over here and you've got done. Click done. When you click done, automatically there are two options come up. Save and upload or edit video. See, edit is not feasible in the free version. Editing is very, very simple. For example, you can add text, you can cut the things and you can blur some parts and so on. So editing is a very, very simple. You need not have expertise in video editing. Simply like Word and PowerPoint, you can edit it. Right now, since we are using free version, I just move on to save and upload. Click over here, save and upload. When I click save and upload, look at here, I got my video that has come up. And I've got four options. One professor says, Professor Usha, yes, you can keep the camera anywhere. You can keep the camera anywhere. Yes, you can adjust the camera in the sense the video that you can you can keep it. See, for example, I have fixed it in here. No, I will just show you once again. Dear professor. Now look at here. I've got four options. Once I press done, right? Click video. Click save as video. Click here, and you have got, see the type. You have to choose the type. I just click over and choose the type. There are three types: MP4, AVI, FLV. I've got it for MP4. And file name. Click here and have the file name. The file name, see, I just click have the file name as video 1, record video 1, recorded video 1. Okay. And the folder, I just click over here and go into folder. I just select the folder. For example, I have a folder called VMRF. I would like to go for that folder. See, it is here. So I have chosen the folder and the mouse highlighter. If you use the mouse and it will be highlighted. Look at here. There is an yellow color round circle. So mouse highlighter and just click publish. Once after setting these parameters, click publish. And this process is called rendering. Look at here. This process is called rendering. So we have gone in for rendering. So I've told you just now, I have demonstrated how to demonstrate PowerPoint. How to make use of the screen recording using your PowerPoint. You have recorded your PowerPoint along with your face. I think one of the mic is on. Could you please switch off? Yeah. Now we have got the recorded video ready. Okay. I go out to that folder and play that for you. See, I got this into VMRF. See, recorded video. I just play this for you. See, I just stop screen sharing. 1 minute, I shall start. Now, is my screen visible, dear professors? Is my screen visible, sir? Sir, is my screen visible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Thank you. See, now look at here. I'm playing the video. A very good morning to you all. This is see the video with the narration demonstrating you the screen capture tools. The screen capture tools. See the mouse helps us to capture. The animation is also captured along with our narration. The screen captured content can be developed using following steps. Number 1 is to get ready with a content or demonstration. See, all two, you should go for the narration along with the record of screen. And thirdly, we can edit the capture, whatever we have recorded. And fourth is the final step to render our recording into a full-fledged video. So my best wishes to you all to capture your screen and render as. Okay, process. Okay, this is what we have recorded so far. So I'd like to close it. Now look at here. I'm going again with the demo. Okay, I'm going again with the demo with an online tool. So I would like to go for recording an online tool. I shall tell you now. Once again, go back. See, I shall repeat the step. Go to Screencast-O-Matic. See, I'm repeating the step for quite a few of you to understand again. Type Screencast-O-Matic in Google. The first link is this, and I shall also give you the link in the chat. You can get it. Yeah, but do we have? But we do have. Yeah, professor. Yeah. See, you also have screen capture. See, the thing is that you can explore various other tools. Of course, you can do this with PPT, but those of you who use 2007, and can you record your screen while you take classes with PPT? No. See, for example, you are with Google Meet. Imagine that you are with Google Meet. You want to record your lecture. How do you do that? Only these kind of tools will help you, not the PPT. Okay. Do you understand the screen capture? Please understand the purpose behind the screen capturing tool. It is not to record the PowerPoint. I just showed you a model recording PowerPoint. Okay. It of course helps you to record the entire screen with your voice, whatever that comes from the computer. For example, you can capture anything on a desktop. Yes, Professor Narendra. Yes. Not only PowerPoint. Right. I have given you the link. Now click the first one, record for free. Click the first one, record for free. Then you are taken to the second page. When you click launch free, it will download if you are doing it for the first time. Otherwise, see the launcher comes. This is the launcher. And go for the settings. See, when I click here settings, I can either click screen or webcam or both. See, I can only, if I want to don't want my face to be exposed, I can go for screen. Or else I can have both. See, I would like to have both. One professor asked, how should you adjust the screen? I think one of the professors asked. Look at here. Professor, you can catch hold of this window and you can enhance. See here? I can enhance. I can keep it anywhere. I can keep it at the bottom or in this corner. Anywhere I can keep it. Okay, professor. I can keep anywhere your screen, right? In the middle, you can keep it or here at the bottom, anywhere, right? And look at your process. The maximum time it is permitted is 15 minutes in the free version. Okay, there is no trial period. You can go any number of days. There's no problem. And the size, see the screen size. What is the portion of the screen that you would like to record? You can mention if you want to record the entire screen or only the portion of the screen. That can be done. And check whether your mic is working. If you get green signal in full strength, your mic is working. And the computer audio, which means the music, if you go for paid version, it will permit you. And straight away, when you press record, it is ready for recording. So before you press record, you must be ready with the screen that you want to demonstrate. For example, I would like to go for giving you a demonstration of removing a picture. Removing a picture. Okay. Removing a picture, background of the picture to use it in your PowerPoint, in your content. Can the ratio be increased on the webcam? Yes, yes. For example, see, it can be done. It can be done. Yes, Professor. It can be done only with the help of paid version, Professor. Professor Radhika, yes, of course you can do. And you also have option to enhance your video. For example, you can add some frames or elegance can be added in the paid version. Yes. Now look at here. I would like to go for giving you a demonstration on removing a background in the picture. Just with one click, you will be able to remove your background. Only you can get your picture, right? I'm going to demonstrate that with this version. We need more than 15 minutes. We need to go for paid version. Yeah. Yeah. Yes, Professor. Yes. See, better, see, any content, if it is within 15 minutes, it would be better. And even if you are interested in going for paid version, in the department you can purchase, it's only 1,500 bucks. Sorry, 15K. That's all. So you can go. Right now, look at here. I'm going for the demonstration. So I just click over record. So see, I would like to close the chat for some time because it will also get recorded. Whatever it is available in the screen will be recorded. So I just switch off the chat for some time. So I'm starting with the red color button. So I'm going for demonstration. I'm going for demonstration. I just click record. Hello everyone. Greetings. This is Dr. A. Vimal Jaral giving you the demonstration on removing the background from a picture. Please go into Google and type remove PG. Please type remove BG. The first link that you get is www.removepg.removepg. Click that and it will take you to the website. You have an option to upload your image. You have to upload the image wherein which you want to remove the background. I click upload and from here you can upload your image. I just go over to desktop. I would like to take up Kalam's picture with a background. Look at here, the Kalam picture has a background. I click over here. Now the picture of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam is edited. Only the picture that I get, the background is removed automatically. I download it. I can download it and it is in the downloads folder. I can very well use it in my PowerPoint. For example, I go over to my PowerPoint. When I get insert, go to pictures and I can use the power of Kalam's picture with the background removed. See here, the background is removed. Only the picture of Kalam, we are able to get it. So that's all. Please enjoy editing your photos, removing the background with the help of www.removepg, www.remove.pg or removepg. That's all. Thank you very much. Have a great day. So I've completed. So once after completing, at the bottom you have pause button. Press that, your recording is ends. Now I have recorded this for 1 minute and 48 seconds. Now I will have to click done. Click done. And save and upload. Click save and upload. Once you click save and upload, you have this option. 4 options. You can save it in Drive, you can save it in YouTube, you can save it as a screencast-o-matic file, and afterwards you can edit it. Now I would like to save as a video file. I click over here and the type. See, you will have to choose the type. There are AVI, MP4. I would like to go for MP4 format. And the name of the recording. I just would like to name it as recorded session 1. Recorded video 2. Recorded video 2. And the folder is VMRF. I want to in the same folder. Just click here and select the folder. And you want to have cursor highlight, keep it and click publish. Once after some maybe a few seconds later, the file will be converted or rendered. Official terms, it is rendered. Once it is rendered, you will be able to play the video for the students. It is ready for as a e-content. So like this, you can demonstrate. For example, if you are demonstrating something in internet or in your computer, or maybe if you teach speech therapy and all that, you keep some instruments and you can demonstrate that. Okay, maybe simulation simulators can be there in the screen and you can explain that. With that, you can capture the screen. So this is a tool to capture your screen. I suppose you have understood. Now, not only to capture your PowerPoint, but also anything that you do with this capture. Whatever that comes into the screen will be captured, right? This is almost done. We have done. We have done with, I will just play the video. You will be happy. Once after this tool, I'm taking you for another tool. Now it is done. Okay, I go back to that folder. I go back to the folder. Let me check. Yeah. I open VMRF folder. Yeah, it is here. And the video name is video record 2. See here. I just open this. Play this video for you. See the good. Hello, everyone. Greetings. See the audio. This is Dr. A. Vimal Jaral giving you the demonstration on removing the background from a picture. Please go into Google and type remove PG. Please type remove BG. The first link that you get is www.removepg.removepg. Click that. And it will take you to the website. See, look at there. You have an option to upload your image. You have to upload the image. Mouse click is highlighted. You want to remove the background. I click upload, and from here you can upload your image. Are you able to listen to the voice? Desktop. Are you able to listen to the recorded voice? Kalam's picture with a background. Look at here, the Kalam picture has a background. I click over here. Now the picture of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam is edited. Only the picture that I get, the background is removed automatically. I download it. I can download it, and it is in the downloads folder. I can very well use it. I stop it here, dear professors. I just stop it. I have stopped the video. Now, have you understood, dear professors? I'm just closing. See, wherever you click the mouse, and the mouse highlighter also works. Have you understood, dear professors? Have you got the nuances of recording the screen with the help of Screencast-O-Matic along with your camera? Can you do that? And one question was asked by Dr. Swati. Dr. Swati, I think it is per year. Okay, just see here. I shall take you for that. Look at here. Look at here. They charge you that just for a month $1.65. Okay. CEC editor is available. Computer audio is available. New sound effects can be there, and there are other green screen filter. Green screen filter means, see, you can add any background. You can add any background and record. For example, you can have virtual background. Okay, all these options are available just for $1.65 yearly. Month per month. So it costs around, if it is for 12 months, it is around $15 or so. Right, 15 or it goes around some $20+. Okay, professors. Now, have you got it, dear professors? Shall we move on to the next tool? Professors, if you have any clarification, you are welcome to make it. Do you have any clarification? I think got it clear. Have you got it, professors? Shall we move on to the next? Professors, shall we move on to the next tool? Yeah, thank you. Thank you. I think many of you are giving. Yeah, thank you, professors. Now, I'm taking you to another simple tool. Very, very simple tool. I got over to Google. Please go over to Google. And the tool that I'm going to give you is that FreeCam. FreeCam. See, it is called FreeCam. It is called FreeCam, right? I just click FreeCam. Take over FreeCam, and the first link that you get is free screen recording. Freescreenrecording.com. I just give you the link in the chat. I've given you the link in the chat. Okay, the link is available in the chat. Okay, and once you get the screen, you just type your email address and download. It is of 50 MB. That's all. It is of 50 MB. A very, very simple tool to use. Very simple tool and completely free. Open source tool. Freeware. Okay, freeware. You know what is the difference between freeware and open source? Freeware is you are permitted to use freely. No watermark, no time limit. But open source is that you can modify the software. You can customize the software. That is what we call by open source. This is free tool. Okay, this is not open source, free tool. So you can get it downloaded, and it will only 50 MB, light tool. And it is a Windows based. It is not online based. You need not have internet to do it. It is completely a window based. Okay, it is completely a Windows based. So you can download the tool and you can use it. So download, once you enter your email ID, it will be downloaded. It is only 50 MB, right? I have the tool here, so I open it. I show you. See, for example, FreeCam. See, recap. I've got it. Now I've got the tool. Okay. Now see, this is the tool. Am I clear, professor? This is the simple tool. It will be in the desktop. You can just type here in the program side and you can get this tool. And if you want to go for a new recording, click new recording. I have clicked new recording. Only drawback is that, please listen. The drawback is that you cannot expose your video. You can record your windows as long as you want. Okay. For example, you are attending a webinar. For example, this webinar you are attending. If you want to record this, you can very well record it. You can very well record it. Okay, am I clear? If you are attending a Viva, you can record it. If you are attending a webinar, you can record it. So you can record. There is no time limit. As long as you want, you can record it. And the screen size, look at it, it's much more simpler. The setting is, see, I can adjust the screen. I can adjust the screen and yeah, with sound. Of course, with sound, with computer sound. Yes, I will tell you. See here, I've got it. See, I can adjust. I can adjust the screen. I can adjust the screen. See here, I can adjust the screen. Right? I just adjust the screen. Okay. Now look at here at the bottom. See, I have adjusted the screen and fixed it. And you can also fix it with a computer audio. For example, I would like to play a music at the background. For example, I'm going to play a music. See, the music is also going to be recorded. So I would like to play the music. And I'm playing the music very much milder. See, look at here. I just go and I'm going to play the music. See, I just make it very much milder. You get the music? I just have the music. Music is also played. I could get the music. See, I have the music. So I just minimize it. Otherwise, this will also be recorded. Okay, minimize everything. Minimize everything. And whatever you want to record, keep it open. For example, I would like to record a PowerPoint again. See, I just open the PowerPoint. Let me open the PowerPoint. See, I would like to start the PowerPoint with the, okay, this one. See, I just would like to go from here. Okay, I'm going to record. Professor, look at here. I'm going to record. See, I just have that red color knob. I'm going to start recording. And I would like to adjust the screen now. See, I just make it full. See, adjust the screen. See, I can adjust the screen. I would like to go. I am closing the window for time being. Now look at here. I just start recording. Greetings. On behalf of BMRF, I welcome you all this FTP on innovative approaches to content and assessment of student learning through online. I give you demonstration on e-content development. I am Dr. A. Vimal Zerol. Today's presentation would be on PPT video making, screen capturing e-content, open shot video making. Let your e-content be prepared, precise, presentable. The elements of e-contents are text, audio, video, images, graphics, narrations, animation, and effects. You can use any of these in your e-content. The types of e-contents are text-based e-content, animated e-content, video-based e-content, gamified e-content, interactive e-content, screen capture e-content, and live stream e-content. Take care of the above factors while you record your screen or preparing e-content. Thank you very much. Have a great e-content making. Thank you all of you. Thank you very much. See, once after you complete your recording, you have to press escape. See, I just press escape. I just press escape. See, press escape. Okay, right now I just stop the music. I just pause the music. I just minimize it. See, look at here, dear professors. I've got the video done. I've got the video done. The video is recorded. Now look at here. We have got a beautiful option of editing. Look at here. There is an editing option. Click here. See, once you feel that your recording is over, just press escape. Okay, your video is done. Okay, then you will have to click edit. For example, I have clicked edit. Now look at here. Now this is the portion of edit. I just expand it into full screen. Okay, I just expand it into full screen. Now look at here. I have the editing in full screen. Now look at here. I want to remove the noise. For example, I want to remove this portion. See this particular portion. I just select here And look at here, I can delete. See, whenever you make selection, it appears in light yellow color. Okay, the selection that is indicated in light yellow color, right? Once after selecting, you can perform anything. For example, you can delete it. For example, I just would like to delete this portion. See here, when I delete, this part is deleted. See, this part is deleted. I want to get back, so Control Z. Okay, am I clear? See, if you want to remove a particular part where you feel that it is not essential, so I can remove it. Or for example, I have a noise of dog barking or some extra sound or sound of a family member. So I want to silence it. I want the video, but I want the sound to be silent. See here, I can silence it. Once I silence it, see the wave, sound waves gets completely off. See, look at here. See, nothing, no sound waves here. So I just I press Control Z and trim. For example, only this portion of the video alone I want. All the other portion I want to remove. See, when I click trim, only that particular portion is removed. Am I clear? See, this is with regard to trim. And one of the important thing is that you can remove the noise. You can enhance your audio. See, I just click remove noise. Automatically, the noise, the hiss sound or the other minute sounds are removed. Now, professors, look at here. The voice is very low. I play. See here, look at the voice. See, listen to the voice. I welcome you all this FDP on innovative approaches to content and
Do you get the recorded sound here, professors?
through online.
Do you get it?
I give you demonstration on e-content development.
Professors,
I am
get the
Dr. A.
voice?
Vimal.
Look at here. I just pass it. I would like to increase the volume. I just select the entire portion, Control A. See, I just select entire, Control A, and go to adjust volume. Look at here. Adjust volume. When I click here, I can adjust the volume. See, I just increase the volume. Now listen.
Greetings. On behalf of BMR, I welcome you all this FDP on innovative approaches to
Sound of
content
my
and
voice
assessment of
increases.
student
Volume
learning
can be adjusted.
through online.
Okay.
I give you demonstration
adjust
on
it to-
e-content development.
I just press OK. Now I pressed OK. These are all the simple selection that you can do. Okay. These are all the simple, editing that you can do. Once after editing, please save and close. Click save and close. Okay. We get back. Now look at here, save as video. Now that's all. We have done simple editing. Now I'm going to save this as video. Click here, save as video. Click here. And here in the desktop, I would like to go for saving it. Free cam recording, free cam video. Video 1. So I have saved it with the name free cam video. I just click save and it is also exporting. It is called rendering or exporting. Once it is exported, full-fledged video that you will get it. Professors, now I'm going to give you one more demonstration. If you want to record your screen, for example, you don't want to give narration. You want to record maybe a webinar. You can go simply using this tool. Okay, only thing is that you need to switch off your mic. That's all. You just open the tool and switch off the mic so that your computer sound will be recorded. Okay, dear professors, I shall tell you. I shall give you the demo on that also. Now see, almost the recording is done. I will take you to that folder and play that video for you, the recorded video. See, professors, you can make beautiful e-contents giving demonstration of something. You are all in speech and audiology. You can demonstrate something, some tools or some machine simulators. Look at your free cam video 1. I just play this. Where is it? Yeah, it is here. Free cam video 1. See here. I'm opening it with the VLC media player. Look at here.
Greetings. On behalf of BMR,
I'm increasing the
you all this FDP on
Are you able to
approaches
listen to the
content
audio with
and
music
assessment of
process?
student learning through online. I give you demonstration on e-content development. I am Dr. A. Vimal Zara. Today's presentation would be on PPT video making.
Do you get it?
Screen capturing,
Do you get the voice?
e-content,
With
open
the
short
music?
video making.
See, all the animations are also there. And
Let your
your
e-content be prepared, precise, presentable. The elements of e-contents are text, audio, video, images.
I just stop it here, professors. Do you get it, dear professors? I just would like to know, do you get the nuances of recording your videos using FreeCam? Dear professors, do you get it? Yeah, thank you, professors. Now, I would like to give you one more demonstration. See here, go for new recording. Click here, go for new recording. See, it asks me, you want to go for new recording? Yes. Without saving, yes. I just go. See, now look at here. I'm just closing it. Closing this PowerPoint. I don't want this PowerPoint. Professors, whenever you want to have your PowerPoint, please keep it in full screen. Okay. Background music, Professor Swati, it's a good question. See, while you play the music, no, for example, see, I have got the background music. Just play it mild. Play it mild. See, you can reduce the music from when you play. For example, see here, I just would like to play this music. I just tell you, go. See, this time I'm going for some other music. Keep it very mild. Instead of keeping it alarming, keep it very mild. See here. Actually, the music is played, but very mild. You get it? Very mild it is. So like this, you can keep it. Very mild, you can keep it and you can record, no problem. Okay, Professor. See, very mild. So I just go even milder. See, very mild, right? Now look at your Professor. Just minimize this button. Now look at your, go for recording the Viva or whatever that goes. See here, look at here. Look at here. You can close the mic. Mute the mic. Mute the mic. When you mute the mic, only the computer sound is recorded, not from your side. For example, your sound or maybe whatever that goes in your house will not be recorded. Okay. So you can freely go. You can freely do some work and it will be automatically recorded. It will be recorded. Process. I would like to give you one more demo, giving you recording of over the browser. Right? Now I just open the mic. See here, my mic. When I open, only the mic works. Right? I'm keeping it ready. I'm keeping my demonstration ready. See, I just keep it ready. Google. I would like to tell you how to download the free music. Okay. Am I audible to you, dear professors? I think there is a network issue. Am I audible? Am I audible enough? Professors, am I audible enough? Professors, am I audible enough? Thank you. Now I'm going to start my narration. Look at here. I'm going to start my narration. See here, I would like to begin. See, this is a window-based narration, right? Not the PowerPoint. Now I would like to close the chat for some time. Otherwise, it will also be recorded. I close it. Now I click record. I just click record. Greetings. This is Dr. A. Vimal Jaral giving you the demonstration on downloading royalty-free music. There is a beautiful website called Bensound. Type Bensound and you are taken to the website in a short while. The first link that you get is www.bensound.com, and this is the website. You got number of variety of music: acoustic, cinematic, corporate, electronica, urban, jazz, rock, world, others. You can select any of these things which you like very much. I just select urban, and you have number of music available here. You can choose the music which you like by playing it. For example, I would like to go for retro. I just click here. Listen to the music, and if you like it, you can download it. For example, I would like to go for this funny song. So you can select it. If you like, you can download it. For example, I would like to go for one more, the guitar piece. So I like this, so I would like to download. Click download, and there are two options. One is for paid version, another one is for free version. The free version permits the usage of music for multimedia content, websites, and animations. It can be used freely and no royalty issues will be there. I just click download and it is downloaded in the downloads folder. You can very well make use of the same in your PowerPoint or in your e-content. That's all. This is the way you can download royalty-free music with Bensound. Thank you very much. So, professors, once you feel that your recording is over, you will have to press escape. See, I press escape. My video is recorded. Now I stop the music played. Okay, I'm stopping the music. See, look at here. I just close it. Now look at your process. I go to edit. At one place I just cough. I just made a sound. Look at here. I just would like to know the sound and edit it. Look at here. I just play this, and you are taken to the website. I just in a short while. The first link that you get is www.bensound.com. I would like to remove that. See here, look at here. And this is the website. You've got number of variety of music: acoustic, cinematic, corporate, electronica, urban, jazz, rock, world, others. You can select any of these things which you like very much. I just select urban, and you have number of music available here. I don't know, somewhere there is a beautiful website called I just would like to take that and remove that. Bensound. And you are taken to the website in a short while. The first link that you get is www.bensound.com. And this is the website. You've got number of variety of music: acoustic, cinematic, corporate, electronic. Somewhere I sneezed. I'm just trying to locate that. Sorry. Vimal Jaral giving you the demonstration on downloading. I'm not able to find it out, but when you listen fully, completely, you'll be able to website called Bensound. Type Bensound can be selected and removed. That particular part alone can be selected. You are taken to the website. I don't know where. In a short while. I did it exactly. The first link that you get is www.bensound.com. So I stopped the process of searching that. For example, if you did that, for example, I coughed, I sneezed. So I select that particular portion. I can silence it. Look at here. I can silence it. The video will be there that the cough sound can be removed. Okay. And see, you can remove the noise. I just select Control A and you can remove the noise. For example, hiss sound and so on. And you can do other things. You can trim it. You can adjust the volume. You can increase or decrease, whatever that you can do. And immediately after doing it, you have to press save and close. Press save and close and press save as video. Click save as video. And I'm doing it FreeCam video 2. FreeCam video 2. Okay. I've done it and press save. And it is exporting. Within a short while, it will be exported and you will get beautiful, recorded video with mild music played at the background, and even it plays the music that you play. That for example, while Bensound, I have played some music. It is also exposed. It is also heard. I'll do it immediately after some time. I'd like to take you to another tool that we have left yesterday that we have we had it due today. That is Google Jamboard. Okay, I'll finish exactly by 11 today. Don't worry. Now it is almost done. Professors, if you have any clarification with FreeCam, you are welcome to ask. Please feel free to ask. Do you find it very useful? This tool is a very simple tool to use. You need not have expertise in editing and all that, but simple editing can be done and make beautiful videos for any longer. You don't need. There is no time restrictions. Only thing is that you cannot expose your face. That's all. But other than that, you can definitely use it, and it's very simple. All those who felt yesterday that you couldn't make video out of your PowerPoint, you can very well use it. Open your PowerPoint, make it full screen, and do it comfortably. You'll get it. See, this is the video that we have done. I'm playing that video for you. I'm just playing this video for you. Look at here. Giving you the demonstration on downloading royalty-free music. There is a beautiful website called Bensound. Type Bensound. This time, since I kept my music very low, you are taken to the website in a short while. The first link that you get is www.bensound.com. You listen and this is the website. Is the voice okay? Variety of music. See, you don't get this sound and all that. Electronica, sound urban, is okay. Jazz, rock, world, others. You can select any of these. Mild music is also played at the background. I just select listen to it. Urban, and you have number of music available here. I coughed here, no? You can choose the music. That place you can silence it actually. For example, I would like to go for retro. I just click here. See the sound of music. Listen to the music, and if you like it, you can download it. For example, I would like to go for this funny song. So you can select it. If you like, you can download it. For example, I would like to go for one more, the guitar piece. So I like this, so I would like to download. Click download, and there are two options. One is for paid version, another one is for free version. The free version permits. Have you got it, dear professors? I would like to stop here. Have you got it, dear professors? Professors, any clarification? Professors, any clarification with this tool FreeCam? No clarification. Okay, professors. Shall we move ahead with Google Jamboard? Many of you may be using Google Jamboard. Professors, would you like to have any clarification with any of the other options with the editing e-content? See, I have explored you only few tools like PowerPoint converted into videos and screen capturing tools. These are very, very simple tools. You need not have professionalism or professional expertise making these content. Please make beautiful videos using your content, your PPTs or demonstrations with Windows based or whatever that you have it in the system, and students will certainly enjoy. Go for the content and upload it in the asynchronous mode of teaching, for example, in your Google Classroom or somewhere, or you can even send it in the WhatsApp. You can tell them you record the screen for 1 or 2 minutes, just the gist of what you have done yesterday's lecture or that day lecture, and tell them that today you are going to see this, and today we have dealt with this, the gist, just for 1 or 2 minutes. They'll be easily, in the WhatsApp, they'll be able to listen to it. They will watch your videos. That will be a great use for them to keep it in their mind. Okay, professors, my best wishes to you all to have beautiful e-content. Now, straight away, I'm taking you all to Google Jamboard. Now, dear professors, I'm taking you all to Google Jamboard. Look at here. Just type Google Jamboard. Shall I proceed, professors? Professors, shall I proceed? Professor, shall I proceed? Yeah, thank you. Now, look at here. Go to Google. Go to Google and type Jamboard. Jamboard. Jamboard is facilitated or powered by Google. So it is enough that you have Google account. It is also incorporated or integrated along with Google Meet. It is incorporated along with Google Meet. So I just click Jamboard. I click over Jamboard. Look at here. I've got a board already. See, I have got a board, and I see there is a demonstration made on human anatomy. The same I would like to see. Look at here. This board people have taught and it is demonstrated, and I would like to have the new one. Once again, dear professors, how do you come into Jamboard? Please go to Google, type Jamboard and click Jamboard. Once you are doing it for the first time, it will take you into your account, Google account. Okay, it will take you. I'm going for a new board. Look at here, there is a plus symbol available. Click the plus symbol. Click the plus symbol, and I am taken to Jamboard. Look at here. I am taken to Jamboard, right? See, this is the board. Many of us have the habit of writing it in the board, conventional teaching, but now it is not feasible. Now you can use it as a board. See here, you can increase the size. For example, you can increase the zoom it and increase the size. See, this is the pen. This is the pen, and the tip is also available. For example, I would like to have this tip. See, I would like to have sketch marker like. See, I can check the color and I can increase. For example, I can increase it. For example, A plus B, the whole square. See, I'm not good at writing with mouse, but if you use green tablet, for example, graphic tablet, we call it as graphic tablet, you can very well write just like you're writing in the notebook. Okay. Am I clear to you, professors? You can write it just like, you can write or do something or draw something, and you can tell the students anything, right? You can do this. This is pen, and these are variety of pens, and the color can also be chosen. See, for example, the color can also be chosen. This is eraser, and the eraser you can clear it off. If you want to clear, see, there is also option on the top to clear the frame. See, the frame is cleared. Also, now look at here, you can select something. For example, if you have some layers over there, you can select it. I would like to bring a picture. Professors, please be reminded of, I would like to bring a picture. For example, I would like to bring ear drum and explain. See, I just would like to go to picture here. Once again, look at here, there is a picture option. Click here and browse here. Straight away, you can bring the picture from, for example, look at here by URL or by Google's image. If you have your picture in the desktop, you can bring it by upload, browse, or go to image search. I can get the image from here. See, I can get the image from here. I just search it, eardrum. Eardrum. Okay, I just would like to have eardrum. See here, I would like to have this. Okay, this picture. This picture will be better. So I have chosen this picture and keep it. Okay, this picture is not that great, so I just delete this picture. I would like to go for new picture. Just I click this add picture again, and I would like to go for this picture. See, this picture is good, or this picture. Shall I choose this picture? This one. I have chosen this picture, and this picture seems to be better. Keep it fully, and you can explain that. See here, I can keep it here fully, and you can explain to the students. For example, see, I keep this picture. I want to explain this to the students. For example, see, look at here. This is the, for example, I'm not expert. I'm sorry if I make mistakes. See here. This is what external auditory canal. See, you can do it. And this is where the auditory canal is there, or whatever that we make. This is the external air. Okay, see here, I'm writing with a pen. See, I can write with a pen. This is where the middle layer. The middle layer is this, and this is the eastern tube. So you can adjust and see. You can also have the sticky note. For example, look at here, the ear drum. Okay, see the sticky note. I just click the next one, sticky note, the fourth tool, fourth gadget. I can have it in any color. See, I have this color, or you can have yellow color or green color. Just save it and keep it anywhere. See here, I kept it anywhere. See, I can keep it rotated. I can keep it here, or I can keep it this way. See, ear drum, just for a model. Okay, you can explain this. You can explain this. See, for example, you can write and you can explain. Also, you can have also maybe like, for example, you want to have another picture. For example, I just take up another picture. For example, this is the external layer. I just select insert. So I just take this picture. See, I just keep it here, and I would like to have a sticky note. Just have it in green color. See, external here, external. Okay, I just save it. Look at there. This is here. See, I just keep it here. I just keep it here so that boys will know what are the pictures that you keep. You can put it as a note, sticky note here, right? You can explain. See, for example, in the air. See, I would like to explain this with this color. So you can tell them that this is the place where you get on. This is the one, something like that. See, do you see that? See, you can make a mark or do something, and there are also shape is available. Look at here. The shape is available. Click here, and you have arrow mark also. See here. You can also see, you can rotate it. You can rotate it, and you can fill this with color. See, for example, I can fill this with color. See, the color can also be filled. See, you see that. And you can also type here. For example, see here, external. I just click external. Yeah. Okay, you can type. You can extend this. I can keep it. Or you can type here. For example, you just draw this and type. For example, I just take this, maybe this one. Use chain tube. So I just would like to type here. See here. I just click here and type. Use touch chain. Click here and type. 1 minute. I just delete this. I just click here again. Just type here. For example, I can edit it. Use touch chain tube. Okay. See, something like that. You can reduce the text also. You can reduce the text. If you see, adjust the text, and you can keep it. I can adjust the text, or you can see. Now you can even keep it like this. See, for example, okay, you get it like this. You have all the options to have. Also, you can have highlighter. Look at here. I have laser pointer. See here, I can highlight and teach. I can highlight and I can teach. This will not, even if you draw, it will not be staying here. See, if I draw also, it doesn't stay. The lines doesn't stay. It's only highlighter, right? You can have text. You can have shape. For example, see here, you can have shapes. See, other shapes are also there. See, you can have the box here. See, this box can be filled or color transparent. It can be transparent also. You can have vector. See here, the diagrams can be on your own. For example, see here, ops, semicircle. See, another circle can be drawn. Look at your Venn diagram. I'm drawing Venn diagram. See, something like that. So you have got all these options. Professor, see, I have completed with one slide. No, it is over. See, I would like to go for another slide. See, you can also expand it. See, I can zoom it. I can zoom it and clearly explain to the students. See here, very clearly explain to the students. See, I take up the pen and you can clearly explain. See, you can explain to the student. This is the part. See here, very minute part is seen. And this is, see, you can explain. And I want to go for the next frame. See here, when I click here, it goes to the next frame. And next frame you can add. For example, number one, ear drum. Number two, something like that. So you can write it, or you can do anything that you want. And if you want to go for the next frame, you can go. And all that is done is saved. If you feel that this could be shared for the students, you can always share it, and you can download it also. See, look at here. You click here, you have option to download it. See, you can save it. You can make a copy, you can save it, you can download it, And you can also name it. See, for example, this is the class about eardrum. So I can save it. I press OK, it is saved. And you can share with the students. Click here and share with the students. It will be, you can type the email address of the students and it will be shared. So it is a beautiful and simple tool to explore to the students when you want to have a real blackboard teaching experience as whiteboard. Okay, this is called Google Jamboard. Would you like to have any clarification with this tool process? I suppose I have made it. It's a simple tool. If you want to set the background, look at here, there are options to set the background also. Click here. So you can have colored background. You can have colored background. From there, you can bring it. Yeah, it is online. It's online, Professor. It is completely online. You can even have, see here, the dotted line so that you can draw pictures carefully. So you can draw pictures carefully. For example, I would like to draw a picture of here. I can draw it or something like that. See, the lines are also there. Line also there. Okay. Now look at here. I have squares. See, you can use the pictures. I want to clear means I can clear the frame. You can go like this for any slides, any number of slides, and all the slides, all that you have done by you will be saved permanently, and it can be shared with the students or it can be downloaded and you can give it. See here, it will be permanent. You can use it. Okay, process. So I request you all a simple tool. Please make use of this. It is a very simple tool. You can make use of this even during today's class. Even if you go for your class today, if you have your Google Meet or Zoom, whatever it may be, you can share this. Google Meet, it is incorporated actually. When you click at the corner, there are 3 dots. When you click here, Google Meet option is there. Sorry, whiteboard option is there. You can share the screen there in Google Meet itself. It is integrated or embedded. Okay, or else you can share the screen and you can demonstrate it like this. Okay, Professor. I think Professor Ramana Kumar, you told me to cover one of the other tools also. What is that we have left with? Professor Ramana Kumar, is there anything that we have left with the schedule? I think we have covered. Yeah, tell me, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
I was asking for Canva.
Yeah, Canva. Yes. I shall tell you, finish it within 5 minutes, right? Canva is a very simple tool, Professor. Can I go ahead, dear Professor? Just for 5 minutes. Can I go ahead, dear Professor? That's all for the scheduled demonstration. One simple demonstration I would like to go. With that, I will stop. Thank you, Professor. With that, I will stop. Now, I just go. Now, do you have any clarification with Google Jamboard? Professors, any clarification with Google Jamboard? Professors, would you like to have any clarification with Google Jamboard? No clarification. Okay, shall I move on? Right. Thank you, Professors. Just explore it. It will be easier. Many of you might have experienced. Yeah. Now I go to Canva. See, I just go to Canva. Canva. Just type a tool called Canva. Okay, this is the tool. I shall give you the link in the chat. Very simple tool. Very simple tool. You will enjoy. See, for the first time, professors, look at here. You'll have to sign up. Please sign up with your Google account or with your email account. See, I just would like to go with the same account. See, I have signed up. That's all. Simple process. See, it will ask you, it will suggest you, I have signed up. Now, immediately after going into it, see, this is the tool for, I've not told you, this is the tool for creating brochures, invitations, or maybe a picture, Zoom background, maybe a picture or a video or simple animated videos, simple animated content, simple backgrounds. Lot of templates are available. You can even create certificates. Lot of templates are available. Very simple tool, and you will all really enjoy. Right, I shall tell you a simple way. Now I will not take up much of your time. I shall just tell you, you just explore. It will be very simple to use. For example, look at here. Now they all give all sorts of things. Just I would like to go for personal and I close it. Close this. Try for. See, this is completely free. Professor, it is not only for 30 days. It's completely free. Don't worry. They ask you what do you want to design. The first design. See, it's completely free. If you go for premier version, you need to pay, but it's completely free. I want to have poster. For example, I just click here. I want to design a poster. I just click here and choose the model. First of all, you will have to choose the template, and based on that, you can decide. For example, look at here. I just would like to go for this. I would like to go for this one. See, I would like to go for this. Taking this, and I would like to change. For example, VMRF. FDP on, FDP on speech therapy, speech therapy. See, I just edit on my own. You can also have text here. See, you can also bring your own text. Am I clear? You can increase or decrease. Now, I keep the same. You would like to bring the VMR of a logo, you can bring it. For example, I just see here. How do you upload? See, click here, upload. There is an option to upload. Click here and upload. See, you can upload a video or audio. I just click upload from, you can even bring it from Google Drive or Facebook or Instagram. I would like to search it from my computer. So I just have this one. I just click open. See, the picture is uploaded. Kindly wait for some time. The picture will be uploaded. Once after the picture is uploaded, just in click, you will get this picture. See, I just click here, you get this picture. Now I would like to crop here. See, you can crop here. See, I have an option to crop. So I would like to crop and keep only this. So I keep it here and select done. See, I can keep this on the top and increase it. Increase the size of it. See here, I can increase the size of it. I keep it at the bottom, or I can keep it on the top so that, see, I can adjust it. See, I adjust this and keep it on the top. Okay, am I clear to you? And this picture also can be adjusted little more, and you can keep it even here. Okay, so I have done it. Imagine that if you want to add another something, see, elements here. Click here, and you've got so many elements. For example, see here, you can get this one, a background, see, blue background or anything. See, the shapes are here, graph is here, photos are here, anything you can upload. See, these are all here. You can upload. And you also have text. See here, there are model text available. I would like to go for this. For example, see, I would like to go for this. See, I just click here. See, this comes. And you can also change the text. For example, register. I just would like to just enter the word register. I can decrease the size. See here, I can decrease the size here. I can decrease the size. See, I have decreased the size, and I would like to change the color. See, the color option is also there. I can change the color. See here, the color has been changed, right? I would like to go once again, just click the color and click here, and you can change the color. For example, see, this is the color that is here, no? You can change the color. See, right now I've changed the color into blue color and keep it here wherever you want. I can keep it here at the bottom. Now I would like to add a link here. Professors, look at here. These are all very many texts is available. You can add a link here. See, go to this, for example. I would like to take up a small thing. For example, I would like to take up this one. See, text here. Here, when people click here, no, automatically the link has to be added. So what should you do? The link can be added only with the shape tools. See, you can also have effects. See here, the effects of the tool can be there. See, effect of the text can be there. That also can be done. Now I would like to add a small click here option. So I just would like to take up a simple one. See here, I just take up this and would like to go for a text. See, I would like to go for a text called click here. Click here. So I just would like to take up the text. See, I just click over here and see, I just make it as click here. Okay, and make it smaller. Make it smaller. I just go into a small size. See, reduce the size. I just go take it. See, for example, 24. It is very small. I make it 75. Okay, 75. Or else you do one thing. You can take up and enlarge it automatically. See, right? This also can be done. I have kept it here. Now I would like to take up this one. Sorry. Take this click here at the bottom. Okay, here. I would like to keep here. And see here, I just bring this click here option here. Okay. Now I take that that round that I've chosen. I can change the color if I want. See, I can change the color to a darker color. See, I just selected a darker color. Now, once after selecting it, you can go here and create some options. See, look at here, share for 1 minute. Sorry. When I click this, you have option to edit. Right now, I'm not finding the options. Otherwise, see here, look at here. I just click over here. Yeah, you get it. See, the transparency is there and the link is here. See here, are you able to see that, Professor? I click the link, and here, this is where you can give the Google Meet link. Okay, you can give the Google Meet link, or you can give the Google Form link. Right now, I would like to give the link of this page. Okay, I would like to give the link of this page. Okay, when I click the link of this page, see here, I have given a link and press OK. Apply. And see what happens. I download this. When you want this link to be uploaded, you have to download it in PDF format. Now look at here, print posters. Just click here, click the download option and select the PDF. See, there are so many options. You can save it as, image or JPEG or PDF. You can also have some video also. See, in Zoom background and all, you can design it. Zoom background, right? I just would like to download it as PDF. I just download it. See, it is getting downloaded. Once after downloading, see, I just open that PDF and you also have that link. The link will take you. See here, it is getting downloaded. Immediately after some time, there is no watermark. There is no watermark. Okay, beautiful brochures that you can design and along with the link. Okay, there are so many options. See, there are templates are available. The elements are available, the shapes and uploads. You can upload images and you can also have beautiful text. And you also have much more elements like this. See, for example, look at here, photos, styles, audio can be there, video, charts, backgrounds, all these things are available. QR code, you can have the Google map, you can have emojis. See, all these can be embedded. Okay. Right now I open this VMRF. See here, we have developed this website. No, see here, this is the poster. See here, see the quality. Only this portion on the top that we upload is not that doesn't look good. The resolution is bad. But all the other portions, see the resolution, very beautiful. No, see here, I've got a link. I've got a link. When I click here, automatically I'm taken to the Google. See here, AirDrop. I'm taken here. Professors, have you got it? See, I'm taken directly to that page. Okay, this is the beauty of this Canva. Okay, professors. So please explore Canva. It is a very simple tool to use. So choose the templates. For example, I just click here. There are so many templates. If I would like to change, see, for example, I would like to change. When I click here, automatically, see the poster background changes. See here, the poster background changes. Am I clear? Am I clear? So poster background changes according to what you have selected, right? You can change the pictures and you can change the text and you can get it. Also, if you'd like to go for others, for example, certificate design, if you want to make certificate, see here, certificate, you get certificates. See, there are so many certificate templates are available. Kindly wait for some time, it is being loaded. Okay, certificate, workshop certificate or appreciation certificate. See here, these are all certificates. These are all certificates. You will get it free. Okay. You can design it on your own, right? See, there are so many other models. When I click here, the models are available. For example, invitation. When I click invitation, just type invitation or infograph. If you want to create infograph, see here, infographic information. I just click infographic, you get infographic information. See, infographics. You can choose any of these and you can do your brochure. Okay, professors, I think I have made some sense to you with Canva. If I have not fully demonstrated you, it is a very simple tool. You can even make simple videos and you can use it. Very simple tool. You can add, as I told you, you can add a link by clicking any of these elements. See, I just click over, the element comes. See here, I'm sorry. Look at there, you can create the elements, right? When I click here, automatically I have the options to create all these, link and all that, right? You can do it. Yes, professors. I would like to take this opportunity to thank VMRF for having given me this opportunity. In a special manner, I would like to thank Dr. Professor Rajan, who is so wonderful, so wonderful, so wonderful, so kind and so gentle, and his expertise is seen every now and then. Encouraging the participants, encouraging the speaker. Great of you, dear professor, for staying with me all the 5 days during the sessions. Thank you for the opportunity as well. And a very good friend of mine, Professor Ramana Kumar, has become a very good friend of mine because he used to tell me, sir, you have to go this way, you have to take care of this and things like that. And he has been in touch with me for the past 1 month for taking this planning and execution. And of course, the daily day-to-day activities also. Really so wonderful of you, dear Professor Ramana Kumar. Let us continue the friendship so that we can think of collaborating along with your institution, maybe whatever possible ways. Thank you, Professor Ramana, for all your assistance and the help that you have rendered. Thank you very much. And my dear professors,
I'm very, very grateful to you all. You are all so good, dear professors. I enjoyed demonstration of different tools. I enjoyed teaching with your company because you are all so interactive. Senior professors, I was told some of the retired professors are also here who are in service, but still, you are able to make it fully attentive, fully with your enthusiastic participation. You were making it, and I salute you all for the assignment work that you have done in spite of your busy schedule. Thank you very much, dear professors. Let us be in touch. My number is there with you. You can contact me. And I request Professor Rajan, this WhatsApp group can be there for at least some days, so that if they have any clarification, I'm ready to clarify. Not only the tools, thank you, Professor Rajan. Not only the tools that we have demonstrated, we can certainly have. If you want to have any clarification on any other tools on ICT, I can just clarify if I know. Otherwise, I will just get it clarified myself and come back to you. Definitely let this be on. Thank you very much for the compliments that you have given me every now and then. Thank you, professors. Thank you, all of you. Once again, I would like to thank Professor Rajan and Professor Ramana and the team. Thank you very much. I spend, I find it as a very, it's like homecoming. It is not a class. It is not like a demonstration. I felt that I am at home and, talking to my friends, talking to my, close ones. Thank you very much for having given me this wonderful environment. Thank you, professors. Professors, if you would like to have any clarification, you're welcome. Otherwise, over to the organizers. Thank you so much.
If you have any doubts, you can ask Dr. Melchior.
Anything. Not only the demo, whatever that we have demonstrated today, anything that you can ask. Anything that you can
Doubts the participants have can put up in the WhatsApp group. And thank you very much, Dr. Vimal,
Thank you,
for
sir.
a wonderful presentation and demo. And the 5 days went on like a zip. So it was so nice. And a lot of senior people have attended this program. And I got a wonderful feedback from them. Our nursing college principal had talked to me. He had very high words of you. And she in fact, she asked me, how did you catch him? So it was so wonderful that they all enjoyed, the participants enjoyed your presentation. And probably we'll be planning a sort of hands-on training on a specific topic. Maybe once the COVID comes down, maybe we would like to have in person so that we can be there in our campus and train our faculty and maybe some research scholars. So that will be, that was a very great 5 days event. And thanks to Ramana Kumar now at this stage and for the wonderful arrangement he had made. Of course, he was the instrumental in being in touch with Dr. So the participants are from different parts of India, and the senior people were there, and the young faculty were there, and not only from audiology and speech, there are from other faculties also. So very nice, wonderful 5 days and wonderful faculty development program that we had, and a long time to cherish. And we'll be remembering Vimal because from today onwards, everybody will be on some tool or other, so that whenever they make use of the tool, they will be remembering Dr. Vimal. I'm sure.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Very kind of you, sir.
Very nice of you that, even after the program, you are ready to help our faculty. Very nice of you. Thank you. Thank you again.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for your blessings, sir.
In fact, actually, we wanted to have a less number of participants just for the sake of, involvement rather than having a good number. In fact, we wanted to have around 50 only, but we had a registration went up to 63 or 64, but it was less than 50 who attended. On an average, it was 48 participants. But number doesn't count. It's only the involvement and what they learned. So that was an important thing. So it was very nice, and thank you all. Over to Ramana Kumar.
Sir, with your sir, Ramana Kumar, sir, 1 minute, sir. With your permission, I would like to announce the assignment for today, sir. Sorry.
Yes, please. Yes, please.
Thank you, sir. Professors, today's assignment would be on screen capture content. Just make up 2-3 minutes content using screen capturing tool, any of these tools. See, again and again, I insist, see, if we only practice or explore, only then we will acquire the skill. That is the reason why the organizers and myself are very particular in giving you simple assignment work. Okay, it is not to burden you. Please make a simple one and upload it, and I shall evaluate it and return you back today. All the assignments that you've done are evaluated. If anything is left over, I will certainly evaluate in a day or two. We shall be in touch. And today also I'll be available between 6 to 7. Of course, in other timing also you can post your queries. I shall clarify. Thank you very much for the compliments by Professor Rajan and his blessing for the blessings as well. Also for the compliments and the good words of motivation, encouragement given by all the participants. Thank you very much. Over to the organizers. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your wonderful speech, sir. And it's a good thing we have learned a new things from you, and we have to thank you anyway for this wonderful opportunity you have provided us. And we came to the end of the session, and before that, I just want to inform all the participants that please kindly finish your assignments, and we'll be providing providing you the certificates after the finish of assignments only, and we will be giving you a time of 1 week for assignments, finishing your assignments. So you can still be in that classroom and you can finish your assessments and you can submit there. And thank you for participating. So I'll be calling up Mrs. Radhika Mohan, our assistant professor, for the vote of thanks. Mrs. Ashwin, is over to you, ma'am.
Yeah, am I audible? Just checking out the mic.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yeah, thank you. Hello, everyone. On behalf of the Department of Audiology and Speech Language Pathology, I, Radhika Mohan, take this opportunity to propose the vote of thanks to those who have directly and indirectly contributed to this faculty development program on innovative approaches to content delivery and assessment of student learning online. At the outset, I thank our resource person, Professor A. Vimal Gerald, Department of Computer Science, St. Joseph College, Tiruchirappalli, who was patient enough to bear with all our queries and had given us enough encouragement to complete the assignments. We are really enlightened with your knowledge and presence, sir. I would like to express our sincere gratitude to the management, Arupadai Vidu Medical College, VMRF, for the support in the conductance of the program. Heartfelt gratitude to our Deputy Director, Professor N.D. Rajan, for the enthusiastic support and motivation given not only in this program, but all the webinars conducted. Your encouragement really keeps us going, sir. Special thanks to the organizing members and Mr. Ramana Kumar for unflinching support and coordination. We have had participants from other reputed organizations on the webinar. Thank you to you all for your active participation. Also, we have had participants from other departments, AVMC, VMRF. I thank you for your participation too. Last but not the least, heartfelt thanks to all my colleagues. And with these words, best wishes for the day and looking forward to meet all of you on our upcoming webinars. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for your words. So as we came to the end of the session, we can conclude it now. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much, professors. My concluding piece of note would be: let us continue to practice the tools. Otherwise, we forget. Please practice and make use of the tools. If you have any assistance, if you are stuck up, please come back to me. I shall certainly help you or assist you. Let us practice. Any skill that can be acquired only by practice, and these skills are not exception. You are most welcome to do practice. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you all.
And participant, as usual, the feedback link will be provided in the subgroup. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, madam. Thank you. Thank you very much.